Welcome to my channel again. Today we shall be making mini sausage buns. They are totally delicious and are easy to make. You will just love them. You can use them for your small chops. You can use them in your as party snacks and all that. So let's dive into it right now. Okay, so we'll be needing sausages. We'll be needing half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 110 grams of flour, 1 egg, cocktail sticks, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of nutmeg, grated nutmeg. So now we shall be mixing all our dry ingredients together. Then you mix thoroughly until well combined. Now we shall be adding our dry ingredients to the mixture. That's the milk and now the egg, and we keep mixing. While we are mixing, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please look below and press the subscribe button, and don't forget to also press the notification bell so that you know when we post other videos. And I would also like you to do us another favor: share our video, like our videos, and just keep being good to our channel. Thank you so much. Okay, now with our sausages, you may choose to use them just the way they are, just as long like that, but I prefer to cut them into tiny bits so that it makes it easier to just, put it into your mouth when they are ready. Who likes to eat long things? Okay, so make sure to boil them for about 2 to 3 minutes when you are done. Okay, we need them cooked before we start frying. Now that they are properly cooked, I will just be putting my cocktail sticks into each bite size. Now it's time to start frying our mini sausages buns. So I'll be dipping each sausage into the batter that we have made and put them into the oil that we have already preheated, and I am frying this on medium heat. It is super low. We don't want it frying so fast. Okay, we need our buns perfectly fried. After that, you just keep stirring it until they are golden brown, and then you bring them out.
Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard for you? It can never exist, oh. You do not lie, you do not confidence is you. What is hard for you? It can never exist. You do not lie. Jesus, you don't have the ability. You don't know how to fail. It is not in your capacity to fail. No.
So this is me eating my super yummy.
Mommy, don't even put it near your this thing. Mommy, don't put it near
This is
your
super
baking.
yummy.
Mommy, don't put it